This is section 8 of the testing regarding the totals page. So part 1 is that does the totals tab open a report for the last 30 days? As you can see here with the heading in the last 30 days, it shows us a little report with the total sales, the total amount spent, and the total profit made. And I'll be able to show you in the view of this that this is actually made for the last 30 days. As you can see, time delta is days is 30, so the days is used, so this is all within almost of the last month. Part 2 is that is the total sales equivalent to the total amount of every sale that has been completed, which we can check in the SQL the database. So as you can see here is now 2186.50. So if we go to the SQL database of completed orders and the amounts, so I'm going to go ahead and add this up on the calculator on my phone. So it's 120, add 75, add 20, add 8, add 4, 18, 60, 13, 86.5. So the total of this comes to £2,186.50. And if we go back to the totals page, exact same amount, £2,186.50. So that does work correctly. So part 3 is the profit made equivalent to the total sales minus the amount spent. So what I'm testing is that the profit on the sales is 2010.80 so far. I want to know if this is actually the difference between these two values, the sales total minus the total amount spent. So I'm going to go ahead and use the calculator on my phone again. You can do the same. So it will be 2186.5 minus 175.7, which is equal to £2,010.80, which is the same as what is displayed on the screen. So part 4 is do the totals update automatically. So what I'm gonna test is when completing order, do the total sales, the total spent, and the profits update automatically. So at the moment it's 2,186.50. So I'm gonna go into the products. I'm gonna add the iPhone charger to the cart. So these are £1.50 each. I'm gonna choose a quantity of 10. So the total price will be £15 as shown in this table. So I'm going to go ahead and complete this order. I'm not going to send the email because we're just testing the totals. So now if we go to the totals, this amount should have increased by 150 and this should have increased by £7.50. So I'm just going to test the totals and the rest work the same. So it was 2,186 at 50 plus £15, which is 2,201.5, which is the same as what's displayed on the screen.